مولے نو مولا نہ مارے
مولا نے مارے
مولا نہیں مارتا
مولا نے یہ مارتا
انہاں نو دس
انہوں نے 10
میں تیری پکی پکی مشہور کروں.
میں تیری پکی پکی مشوق.
السلام علیکم ناظرین، میں ہوں قربان پرنس اور آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں انر پاکستان. ناظرین، آج کے ہمارے پروگرام کی مہمان شخصیت بہت خاص ہیں. انہوں نے نہ صرف انٹرنیشنلی پاکستان میں بلکہ انٹرنیشنلی پاکستان کا نام روشن کیا. مختلف بیوٹی پیجنٹس کے جو مقابلے ہیں، کمپٹیشنز ہیں، ان میں پارٹیسپیٹ کیا اور صرف 21 سال کی عمر میں انہوں نے فیشن انڈسٹری میں قدم رکھا اور پھر ایسا قدم اپنے جمائے ہیں کہ دنیا دیکھتی رہ گئی. سال 2022 میں نیشنل کراؤن مس پاکستان ورلڈ کا مقابلہ جیتا انہوں نے. اسی طرح 2022 میں ہی مس ارتھ کا مقابلہ فلپائن میں منعقد کیا گیا، اس میں انہوں نے ون کیا. مس ایکو انٹرنیشنل 2023 کا مقابلہ جو مصر میں ہوا وہ انہوں نے ون کیا. فریڈم آف دی ورلڈ فار ٹائٹل رنر اپ رہی یہاں پر. مس اورا انٹرنیشنل 2024 کا مقابلہ بھی انہوں نے بیوٹی پیجنٹس کا اپنے نام کیا. مس کوسمو انٹرنیشنل 2024 ون کر چکی ہیں. مس گلوبل انٹرنیشنل 2025 کا مقابلہ ہے حسن اپنے نام کر چکی ہیں. مجموعی طور پر اگر ان کی اس کارکردگی کے حوالے سے، پروفائل کے حوالے سے ذکر کیا جائے تو 7 انٹرنیشنل مقابلوں میں انہوں نے حصہ لیا، جن میں سے 6 میں ونر رہی، 1 میں رنر اپ رہی اور جبکہ 1 نیشنل بیوٹی پیجنٹ میں بھی پرفارم کر چکی ہیں، ون کر چکی ہیں. میری مراد ہے موسٹ بیوٹیفل گورجیس ڈیشنگ لیڈی انیکا جمال اقبال. السلام علیکم.
السلام علیکم.
ہاؤ آر یو؟
I'm good, how are you?
الحمدللہ. انیکا، فرسٹ آف آل I would like to say to introduce yourself.
Yes. میرا نام انائکا جمال اقبال ہے. میں 24 سال کی ہوں. میں ڈینش یونیورسٹی پڑھتی ہوں. آڈیٹنگ اینڈ اکاؤنٹنگ ماسٹرس کرتی ہوں.
You entered in fashion industry at the age of 21 years just.
Yes.
How?
So I applied for Miss Pakistan in 2022 and it is Sonia Ahmed that has that organization, and luckily I got the title and then I participated in different beauty pageants and now I'm here.
Now you are going to perform to participate in Miss World competition 2026.
Yes.
How was your experience? How was your experiment, your expectations?
So at the moment everything is so exciting and we are just preparing we are preparing catwalk and all these kind of things, makeup, dresses, hairstyles. So that is what we are doing right now. My goal is to show Pakistan from another view, from another perspective, so people outside can see how Pakistan really is.
You told us you complete your graduation masters in accounting and auditing. And what's your next future goals?
So I will graduate next year, inshallah, and that is where I want to work with my auditing and with accounting because that is a dream of mine.
In the history of Pakistan, of 73-year creations of Pakistan, you are the first lady to debut in Miss World competition. What you would like to say the other younger girls of Pakistan?
That this is a big thing for me and for Pakistan itself, and if Pakistani young girls has the same dream, they should go for it because it's an amazing thing and it's a dream come true.
Pakistani girls only think which girl is most beautiful. They focus just on beauty, not other things. What you would like to say them? How you encourage them?
I would first of all like to say that is not true. It is not just about beauty. Miss World is prestigious. There is no swimsuit there, which is really good for us Muslim girls. Also, they have something called Beauty with a Purpose, where they let us girls advocate for something that we fight for. So that is how I would encourage young Pakistani girls, so they know that it's not about the beauty.
Many peoples of Pakistan understand that beauty pageants is not good. Different opinions. How do you defend them?
How I would defend that is by showing them. I would use my own platform to show that it's not about the beauty only, it's about everything. How about you are, your personality, your heart, and how other people see you.
Before leaving Pakistan for Miss World 2026, what you would like to say the people of Pakistan, your fans, your supporters, which message you will deliver them?
I would like to say thank you so much and thank you for supporting me through my journey. It means a lot to me. I am super grateful.
Which kind of dresses you wear during the beauty pageant, especially international, the most beautiful event competition, Miss World.
Yeah, so we are actually getting our dresses from scratch. They make it with new materials, new rhinestones, new sequins, and it has to be perfect. It has to be shiny. It has to be outstanding. So that is some kind of dresses that I want to wear.
For Pakistani girls, it's a big challenge to participate in international beauty pageants, especially Miss World, Miss Earth, Miss Global Pakistan. What you would like to say them? How they can participate in it?
First of all, they have to apply for it on the Miss Pakistan's website, and therefore they will be selected if they had the requirements. And I know it's difficult, but it still can happen. If they really want to do it, they have to do it, and they have to go for their dreams. It's important to do it because nobody is going to stop them.
What type of models, especially for the beauty pageants, those participated in beauty pageants, use dieting plan?
Dieting?
What type of dieting plan, foods for their health, for beauty pageants competitions, so that they keep them smart, slim, beautiful?
So when you're going to a beauty pageant such as Miss World, you have to be on a diet, you have to do fitness because that is really important to keep in shape. You cannot just eat fast food, junk food, McDonald's, Burger King. It's not going to happen because then you're not in shape. So you have to be on a diet. It's hard. It can be really hard because you're going to miss the sugary things and all that stuff, but you have to do it.
Who is your favorite actor or actress in Pakistan?
So I do not watch drama, only my mom watched drama. But when I have seen some of the women, I really like...
You are going to participate in Miss World 2026, but you don't watch dramas.
Yes, but it's more because actually I don't watch TV series, movies and all that stuff. It's not for me, not even Danish or English ones. So when I just walk by my mom's room, I have seen some of the women and she told me what their name was because I like them. For example, Hania Amir and Mahira Khan.
You like Hania Amir just because of her dimples?
No, I think like she's a good actor. When I have seen her while my mom is watching the drama, I have watched like maybe 5-10 minutes sometimes, and she is really beautiful, mashallah, and her acting is really good, so that's why.
Any favorite dialogue of any Pakistani movie or TV drama?
एक तेरा के मैंने नहीं याद किया था.
आपने याद नहीं किया था?
नहीं.
तो अब आपको कैसे याद करवाया जाएगा? दोबारा से याद करवाया जाएगा?
मुझे नहीं पता ऐसे या क्या पूछते?
बताएं जरा. मौलाना मारे थे, मौला नहीं मरता. आज पता चलना चाहिए अनीका का. Public should know them. Anika love Punjabis.
Can you say it slow?
Yes. मौले नु मौला ना मारे.
मौला ने मारे.
मौला नहीं मरता.
मौला नहीं मरता.
इन्होंने 10. मैं तेरी पक्की मशहूर.
मैं तेरी पक्की मशहूर.
Very good. अच्छा, क्या hobbies हैं? What's your favorite hobby?
I have trained karate for 10 years and now drawing.
Any hidden talent of Anika?
Karate and drawing.
How did you start your career? And you think that I should enter in fashion industry after completing my masters in accounting and editing? We should enter in fashion industry, perform, ramp walk. So
I started back in 2022 where I contacted Sonia Ahmed, and then I won the title Miss Pakistan 2022, which I'm very grateful for. And I didn't even know that I would come here this day today because this is a really big thing, but she helped me through it and I got a lot of experience from different pageants, and that is why I earned this title because I was passionate about it.
What's your future goals?
What's my what?
Future goals.
Future goals is to graduate, work with my education because that is my dream as well. I want to become successful. I want to help people in need, and I'm going to use my knowledge from my education to do that.
If you win the title of Miss World 2026, what you will do? What do you think I should do it for this?
That is a really big question. But of course, I want to focus on my charity Beauty with a Purpose here in Pakistan, where I have been working with it, and that is something that I would 100% start with doing.
You belong from Denmark. You graduated, master's completed, you completed your master's degree from there. But how you belong to Pakistan?
I belong to Pakistan, first of all, because I am a Pakistani citizen. I have my Pakistani citizenship. I come here every year. My mom made sure that we are here every year, so I have it in my blood. Pakistan is my home, no matter what anyone says. Denmark is also my home, that's right, but by blood, I am a Pakistani woman.
How was your experience when you won the national crown Miss Pakistan World 2022 at the age of just 21? Your first entry and you won it.
That was amazing. I didn't even know that could happen. That was the first goal I ever had. And then it just happened so fast. It was like, okay, and there I am.
So many beautiful ladies of the world were in Miss Earth 2022, which was competition was held in Philippines, and you also participated in it. How was your experience? How was your encouragement, your expectations that you can win it?
So it was my first time for an international pageant. To be honest, I didn't know what I was going into. So I took it with a smile and I learned from it by mistakes and I got better. So it was a good experience because I learned how to do it.
Miss Eco International 2023, which was held in Egypt, that was also a big challenge because there were also beautiful girls of the world. People like them, wants to watch them. How was your experience?
My experience in Egypt, Miss Eco International, was also good. The people around me was humble and nice. The other women are so beautiful, mashallah. But we had a great bond with each other, so we made a good time out of it.
Anika, when you participated in these beautiful and beauty pageants, you feel any pressure because whole world come at one place together and perform. Every girl is most beautiful, most gorgeous, dashing, sexy ladies, but you also participated during them and win the crown.
Yeah, so there's a lot of pressure, not only from the people watching me, but also from the other girls, from the judges, from my family, from everyone. It's hard to be in because you have to look perfect every day, every night. You cannot make mistakes. You have to show the best person of yourself, the best part of yourself.
Miss Global International. How was this experience, Miss Global International 2025?
That experience was also very, very, very good.
Where this competition was held?
Thailand and Cambodia. Don't know.
Okay. कैसा experience था आपका?
Yeah, अच्छा. It was fun. It was nice, and people again were so sweet, humble, and it was nice. Great.
Which qualities should a girl, a model, should have to perform in these beautiful beauty pageants? Height, beauty, which things girls should be focused most?
Of course, you should show empathy. You should have empathy when you are applying for these competitions. You should be sweet. You should be open-minded. You should listen to other people. And most important, you should use your platform to advocate. That is one of the biggest things that you should do in a beauty pageant.